How would you like to save about $230 a month?
And get a tax savings too?
Or more? Coming right up.
Woohoo!
Okay, so now we're going to go into...
Hello everybody, my name is Barry Horvath and this is Moving Forward TV, your local market update.
And I am Dylan Guest, and thanks for joining us this morning. Today we are talking about...
Actually, we're going to talk about the right time to buy and the opportunity for first-time home buyers or even move-up buyers in this marketplace. So
yes.
We've actually been out doing a lot of research in our local communities right here in the Tampa Bay area. It's seeing what's going on, you know, the price of houses, renting versus owning,
right?
And really what's going on.
What's out there? You know, a lot of people, I get calls all the time. You know,
you get a lot of calls.
I get a lot of calls. I'm like always. I get like a phone in each ear all the time.
Here.
But
it's for you. Hello. Yeah, she's busy right now. She's taping a show. Okay.
A lot of people have been
this
calling.
Is live, isn't it? We can't take this out, can we? Okay, sorry.
Stop. Oh, I know, that is me though. A lot of people have been calling, and you know, I've been talking to a lot of realtors and a lot of home buyers, and the houses are going like as fast, if it is priced right.
Yes.
As soon as it comes on, it's gone.
Yes, yes it is.
So if you're a seller,
it's a great time to be a
now's
seller.
the time.
Yeah, if you're a buyer, maybe not so much, but actually, it is still a great time because looking at the rental market in certain communities, but I want to tell you guys this. If you're in the real estate business right now and you're not marketing to the first-time home buyers, you're going to be astonished to hear. In June of real estate closings, 28% in the Tampa Bay area, right here in our town.
Our backyard.
In our backyard. We're first-time home buyers. So that's amazing to hear. Over a quarter of the people are people for the very first time saying, I'm ready to take the plunge, I'm ready to own a house, and I don't want to rent anymore.
And that means for you people who are sitting there thinking of selling your house, but not sure if I really should sell my house, or, you know, what would I get for it, that kind of a thing, and, you know, what's out there. There's buyers for your house. If you are considering moving up, doing the next step and going into something a little bit larger or a little bit closer to work or a little bit more out in the country to get away from work.
Or, as we said in our little teaser, maybe you could even save money. Yes, I did say that. You could potentially save money by owning versus renting with today's low interest environment, low down payment programs available.
Right.
There's down payment assistance programs out there, which that's a whole nother show. And really, you know, minimal credit score requirements.
So much opportunity.
People think they can't afford to buy when maybe they really can. So you might want to look at it. So we went into some local neighborhoods that I think are nicer communities to take a look.
And did some research.
And we absolutely did. So the first one, actually, I see a picture there up on your screen.
I can't see.
Oh, you put in your glasses.
I know.
Pretend it's your phone.
All right.
So the first one I saw is actually over in a community called Fairway Springs. It's right here in Trinity. A nicer neighborhood, well kept, deed restricted. And we did a rental comparable on that house versus buying that house.
Now this house, just to kind of give you a quick rundown, it has, and hopefully our producer can flip through some pictures here, $175,000. It is 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 2-car garage. It has beautiful landscaping, low maintenance yard, 4-zone custom sprinkler system, fresh tough coat house paint on the exterior, flagstone pathway. It's beautiful. It's really, really nice. Open floor plan. 2 living areas, 2 dining areas, updated kitchen, updated features in the breakfast bar, and tray ceiling. Wow, how nice is that? Anyway, this one is under contract, but just to give you an idea, I'm pretty sure they said it's under contract.
So if you're the real estate professional,
hey, we're
kudos
giving
to
you a plug.
We're plugging for you, okay? So that's okay.
So what is the difference? Now, what would this cost?
Well, that house is selling for $175,000. So,
if you were to put a very typical 5% down.
Yeah, 5% down. What is that?
Like 5% down.
$8,500, somewhere around there?
Right.
What is that?
Yeah, 87 something.
Yeah, $8,700. So ask your mommy or daddy for money, or your rich.
Mom and Dad's are gonna love you.
If you don't have it, you can actually, a lot of the programs now, the down payment can be gifted to you.
Right.
It cannot be loaned to you. There's the key word. Don't say, I need a loan, mommy or daddy. So it needs to be a gift. So that's part of.
You can't take an advance on a credit card.
Exactly. So payment wise, on a house like this, if you were to rent this house right now, you'd probably pay between guesstimations, and we go on this cool little website called Rentometer.
Rentometer.
Yeah, it's called rentometer.com. It actually is a pretty neat site because what it does is you can put in what you're paying for rent, and it'll show you what other houses around you are renting for. So that's rentometer.com. So you can say, well, I'm paying $1,500. Well, we put in $1,500 on this particular house in Fairway Springs, and they said that was a good deal for rent.
That's probably right about there.
So if we were to buy the house with 5% down, Dylan, where would we be at? Do you have a ballpark?
Your payment would be.
I have no idea.
About $1,120.
So
roughly thereabouts.
Yeah. So there it is on
That's
Rentometer.
That's a pretty big savings.
We got it up in there. Actually,
that's a Rentometer.
So that's pretty awesome. So
that's a cool website. For
so
people to check out.
$1,120. Now that does not include taxes and insurance.
No, it does include taxes and insurance.
Oh, it does.
It
Oh,
does.
PITI.
Yes.
So $1,120, I
my
can
notes.
own this house with 5% down.
Right.
And
Instead of
assuming-
paying $1,300 to $1,500 a rent for
And
this
that-
same house.
Yeah, that's,
And like we were saying that you get tax savings whenever, when you do your income tax, you get to write off your mortgage interest is still tax deductible, and your
most
real estate
people.
taxes.
Do your disclaimer, please.
Yes, for most people. I'm not
Consult your tax
okay, hang on.
professional.
I'm not a tax professional. That's right. Consult your tax professional. But you will get tax breaks too, owning rather than renting.
Absolutely. There's huge benefits. And of
All right,
course,
let's go on to another one.
You can enjoy the appreciation possibly or depreciation in the market. But right now we're definitely in an appreciating market. You want to look
True.
at another one?
Let's look at another one.
Same neighborhood.
9908.
Trevino. So sorry if we are exposing your
Hopefully
home,
our
but it
pictures-
is on
yeah.
the web, folks. So, we don't make
Public
this stuff
record.
up. Yeah,
And hey, we're plugging your home. This house is for sale for $169,000. This house is a 322, which means 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 2-car garage with a pool.
Wow.
Yay.
Wow. So we can go
Nice.
swimming, Dylan.
Now,
so you can do your little challenge for
Also
the
in
ALS and
Fairway
dump water
Springs.
on your. When are you going to do that, by the way?
Beautiful lot, easy access. I
Hey.
know I have to do the whole ice challenge. Yeah, thanks,
Did
Jen
you guys see
DeVita.
mine?
Thanks, love you, hon. Yeah.
If you guys haven't seen
And
mine, go on
him
Facebook.
challenged me.
You guys that use those little tiny buckets, like the little sand pails, or I don't know where you get the little kitchen bowl or something, and you go, deek. That's nothing. Take a look at my Facebook page. You'll see a real man getting drowned. That would be me. So
Yeah, I'm bringing like a little, my red Solo cup.
yeah, you're real tough to live. So anyway, back to Trevino.
Okay,
It's
so
in Fairway
anyway,
Springs.
and it's a beautiful house. It's got a pool, outdoor entertaining space, pocket doors, beautiful
Look at that,
landscaping
Pat. Look
stuff,
at that closet.
privacy.
Look how neat that is. How come your closet
Look,
doesn't look like that?
yeah, look at that. All of this house, and you want to know what's the payments on this?
I don't know, but it's selling for $169,000. So I'm thinking.
If you were going to rent it,
I think it should be.
Little rent-a-meter.
I think it should be lower payment. I'm just, I'm no financial advisor or anything, but I'm thinking that maybe. That's another story. I'm thinking maybe it's a little lower than the other one. So if we go on rentometer.com, Rentometer says it's probably, again, that's a $1,400 to $1,500 a month house.
Absolutely.
Right there on rent. So if you are buying a house, an investor, kudos to you because you're going to make good money on this, on your payments.
And look what the PITI is.
What is the PITI? Oh, $1,094, $1,094.
Can you believe need
And
that
of
for a
course-
house with a pool.
Yeah, and we're just using hypothetical today's market
Yeah.
rates and
These are
hypothetical
rough numbers.
insurance, but that's getting you in the ballpark to know that you could save on this house $400 a month by owning versus renting. So we've got some others too, but we need to go to
Couple
break.
others and a couple other really good things about what you need to do to get prepared to buy a house. We're going to go to break, and we will be right back.
This is one bee that loves going to the dentist because it's made for you and me.
My name is Dr. Becerra from New Tampa Pediatric Dental, providing a comfortable atmosphere in early dental care. Gives kids a great start for healthy teeth and gums for life.
When I go to Dr. B, they don't do anything to hurt you.
I used to be afraid, but I'm not now. I'm not afraid of the dentist anymore. I love to see Dr. B. Call New Tampa Pediatric Dental today.
Revolutionary in his field, Dr. Bonatti created, perfected, and patented the Bonatti spine procedures. Using his genius, Bonatti invented precise tools necessary to minimize surgery, scarring, anesthesia, and recovery. So successful are the Bonatti spine procedures, they consistently reflect over 94% patient satisfaction. 45,000 successful procedures have been performed exclusively at our location. Nearly half our patients suffer from failed back and neck surgeries at other facilities. Bonatti succeeds where others fail.
This is one bee that loves going to the dentist because it's made for you and me.
The environment here is really kid-friendly, family-friendly. The parents are welcome to watch.
It's definitely been a different atmosphere since Dr. Becerra has come on. It's very inviting and welcoming, and the children just enjoy coming here all around.
My middle son did not like to come to the dentist, but now he loves to come to the Beehive.
You don't have to be afraid to go to the dentist. Call New Tampa Pediatric Dental today.
Mortgages don't need to be complicated. At Norcom, we're here to guide you through the process. By following our tried and true path to success, we make homes happen. To get started, give us a call or apply online. A trusted mortgage consultant will reach out to you to find out what your goals are. Whether you're in the market to purchase a new home or refinance your current home, we are dedicated to helping you achieve your goals. At Norcom, we'll provide a best-in-class customer experience. Once a plan is established, your mortgage consultant will analyze your income, assets, and credit profile in order to customize a plan for you. If you're planning on moving in the next few years, we might suggest an adjustable rate mortgage to be the best option for you. If you're a veteran, we'll get you started on a VA loan with 0% down. And if you're thinking long-term, a 30-year fixed loan might be your best fit. Our professionals are up to date on market trends and will help you make the best decision in choosing your rate. After we've found the program that's best for you, we'll then need to collect some information, including pay stubs, bank statements, and tax forms. Our underwriting team steers a loan through the approval process to verify that all the information you've provided is correct. As the underwriting process is taking place, an appraisal is ordered to determine the value of your home. A professional, local appraiser specializing in your area will determine the home's value. The last leg of this journey is closing your loan. While taking care of any last-minute details, our closing team will work on scheduling your closing date and location. It's that simple. Thank you for taking some time to walk through the mortgage path with us. Remember, we're always here to answer any questions you may have. It may seem intimidating, but here at Norcom Mortgage, we make homes happen.
This is one bee that loves going to the dentist because it's made for you and me.
Providing a comfortable atmosphere in early dental care. Gives kids a great start for healthy teeth and gums for life.
Coming here, you're not just like an ordinary patient. You're actually like treated like a family member, and like you're treated like he actually gets to know you and makes you smile.
Welcome to New Tampa Pediatric Dental, and we are the Bees!
Call New Tampa Pediatric Dental today.
Hi, I'm Derek Brooks, former linebacker for the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. During my NFL career, I realized the importance of giving back and started my foundation, Derek Brooks Charities. we help Tampa Bay youth prepare for a successful life through our college prep and mentoring programs. Our goal is to see youth excel academically and develop strong characters and be better citizens for tomorrow. To further our mission, we've teamed up with Fun Night, a company that gives members access to thousands of nationwide discounts on products and services they buy every day. These include entertainment, retail purchases, dining, and travel. Best of all, 33% of every membership fee goes to the charity of your choice. We love being able to save our supporters money while giving them a unique opportunity to support our charitable work in the community. I invite you to consider using Fun Night to save money and give back to your favorite cause. Visit www.funnight.us to sign up now and get a free 30-day trial. Save money, help others with Fun Night, and support Derek Brooks Charities.
We are back live right here.
Hello.
Hello.
Yay, live. Okay, so let's take a look at two other houses really, really quick, because then there's other stuff that I want to get into
Like
about
me
what
getting
to
doused on.
Yeah, and we're going to see if we
My
can
ice
find that
bucket.
clip, just
I'm
so
sure-
that you could watch it again. It
I'm
is pretty
sure
funny.
it-
There's a lot of really funny ones going on.
Yeah, that one's really funny for you guys.
You know, Thor, if you haven't seen Thor's yet, Thor did one.
Really?
Yeah.
Did he?
Yeah.
But that was
Ladies,
a good one.
well worth the watch. Find
All
that
right,
one.
back to the program.
Anyway,
Let's talk about let's go a little further south now, down to Tarpon Springs, and see what the housing market is. So you're in Pinellas now, a little
We
bit
found
more.
a beautiful little house.
And yeah, a little bit pricier, of course. It's all relative to the area. When I say pricier,
This one
it's
is
still not-
Oakwood Place, which I think is in Woodbrook, if I'm not mistaken. Beautiful subdivision, Tarpon Springs, 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 2-car garage
Look at
with
that.
a pool. Again, look
love
at this
that
house.
kitchen.
Is this gorgeous or what?
Does that come with
this
that?
one?
Look at that ceiling fan. Those are nice.
It's in Woodfield, it said,
Yeah.
Woodfield neighborhood.
that
Okay,
rug.
Eastlake Corridor. So all of you people who like the
Look at
Eastlake
that
area,
bed. That's
here
a
you
king-size
go.
bed.
It is on a pond lot with relaxing views of the pond, spacious layout, split bedroom, formal living room, dining room, kitchen, overlooks large family room.
And you're welcome.
Awesome wood-burning fireplace, just a few of the wonderful things that it has to offer.
That'll be in handy in August, huh? With this weather
All
right
for-
now.
I know.
Let's fire up the fireplace. That's what I say.
My brother's selling his house up in Connecticut, and he had an open house, and he had the fireplace on, and I went, really? in August in Connecticut?
Yeah.
It's even up there. It's
So
hot.
let's talk about this one selling for $249,000, which
Now, because pool home.
right.
So the rent's going to be a little bit higher
absolutely.
in this.
So
Rentometer comes
Rentometer
in
says
around.
somewhere around $1,800 to $1,900 a month for rent on this particular property. So, and with the condition of it, it could even go for $2,000. Who knows? $2,100. It's just a guideline
Right.
to say. So, but you could again buy this house right now with principal, interest, tax, insurance for about $1,600 a month. So do you want to rent or do you want to own?
Talk about a savings. Okay, let's go into the last one real quick that we have here. Also in Tarpon Springs, we have Woodbrook. This is in Forest Ridge subdivision, I believe, which is another beautiful neighborhood. Gated community in this case here. It is
Makes me feel so safe, Delaney.
4-bedroom. This time we have a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 3-car garage house here. Over 2,000
that.
square feet.
Look at those plant
With
shelves.
all of the extras. I
like
know.
it.
Look at that kitchen. Is that incredible?
Everybody's
All
going to
Move-in
this
condition.
wood look.
Perfect for someone who wants all
Look,
the
another
extras.
fireplace, Delaney.
See that? Plush carpeting in the
chilling.
bedroom, stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, ceiling fans throughout the home.
Are you
front
selling
load
the
washer
house
and
or
dryer.
telling them about it?
Look at all this awesome stuff. I love reading this stuff about. I really should be like in real estate. I love it. Anyway, this house here.
Then what
this
are we
is a
gonna do on
beautiful, like I
Wednesdays
said,
if
a
you do
guy
that?
now. A gated neighborhood. Rent on this is also probably in the upper brackets of somewhere between $1,700 to $1,800. However, if you are going to buy this house,
$219,900.
Is the
And of course,
purchase
that's the
price.
asking price. Maybe you'll pay more, maybe you'll pay less. So,
Right.
we don't know in this
PITI
market.
roughly, which
Roughly.
is mortgage payment including tax and insurance,
$1,450.
less than $1,500. Can you
So,
believe that?
I
This
can't
is
believe
just-
it. And that's
this is
talking
good.
about, again, with a minimal down payment.
Right.
So we're not
All
talking
of this-
about
and all this is just
20%
real rough
down.
stuff, okay?
Not 20% down. We're talking about like 5%. And of course, if you're a veteran, you could do a VA loan, 100% financing, 0 down.
Right.
If you buy a house in a USDA area, That's
No down payment.
No down payment there.
In some
FHA,
programs.
3.5%. You know, we can cover all those own programs another time. So,
But right now, what we really wanted to talk about is what you need to do. Okay, so you're sitting there watching, you're saying, you know what, they're absolutely right.
What do I
I'm
need
tired
to
of
do?
renting. What do I need to do? What's my first step?
Well,
a lot of people, because of all of the difficulties in the mortgage industry in the last few years, a lot
do
of
they
people
call
think,
you on this?
They call me all the time. Now, I wish they did, because a lot of people think, oh, it's too hard to get a mortgage. Don't you hear that a lot?
I told you she's busy and don't call at this time. Yes.
Don't you hear
Okay.
that a lot?
Excuse me.
It's too
I'm
hard.
screening your calls for you.
I hear it's too hard to get a mortgage. We
She'll
can't
get back with you
qualify.
later,
We can't qualify.
okay?
Yes, you
Okay.
can. You just have to be prepared. Yes, you have to produce some papers. It's not
So
just
get
breathing on a
pre-
mirror anymore.
Get pre-approved without
My
a
New
mirror.
York comes out there.
So,
Yeah, so you have to. So step number one, what you're going to have to do. Okay, here. You want to share the notes?
No.
This one we
I'm
pretty
just
much
gonna
know by
screen your
heart.
calls.
Screen my calls. Step number one, you have to talk to a lender. Get pre-approved. There's a lot of lenders out there.
Go wherever
Find someone you're comfortable with.
and you want to work with, because it's somebody.
Can I say who not to work with?
No.
Am I allowed to say
No,
that,
don't say
producer?
No, be nice. Be
Okay,
nice.
then
Work
can I put it
professional.
this way? I would work with somebody who you're comfortable with rather than somebody who is online somewhere in another state.
Yes. Yeah.
Can I
work
say
with
that?
somebody local. Yeah, because to serve, you know,
They
again,
don't know our area. They don't know our markets. They
Exactly.
don't know how we
It's
work.
different.
You know, it really is. So.
and you will be a number to them, and you can say, "Oh, I saved the rate." Well, wait till you lock. We'll see how much you save. So anyway, that's all.
So
I'm
talk
gonna
to
say.
somebody you're comfortable with. And if you don't know it off the top of your head, some of the things that they're going to need. They're going to need your last 2-year history of where you've lived, where you've worked, who you've worked for, what you've done, how much you made, all this kind of stuff. They're going to draw blood. No, they're not going to. Ow! They're not necessarily drawing blood, but it'll feel like that.
Look, she
No.
doesn't bleed easily, folks, so it's not working out.
But bring your resume or have your resume.
Bring your resume.
Really, because I can't tell you how many people I've spoken to who sit there and say, "Well, I worked there from here to here." I think it was somewhere around 2011, 2012.
So they're going to need documents.
And just, if you don't know off the top of your head, like your work history, just have your resume handy, because they will ask those questions. They're going to want to know.
That's a good idea.
your last
Have your
2 years.
W-2s ready, your tax returns, and of course your bank statements, and wherever you're getting the down payment from. If it's from mommy or daddy, you're going to need to source that as well. So keep that in mind. And it doesn't have to be from mommy or daddy. I know I'm making fun. It could be from your cousin, could be from your brother, could be from your...
Where can't it be from?
It can't be from,
Your mattress.
yeah, your mattress, or your closet,
Or your coffee
or
can.
your safe, or wherever you keep that
Or some
stash.
people used to, like, they put it in the bottom of their ice cube tray.
Really?
Put water on top of it and freeze it.
What a great idea. Another
I've heard
great
that
tip
one
from
too.
DeLynn Gaston on this show, folks. Now, I'm going to check from now on, whenever I go to someone's house, I'm going to go look in their ice maker, see if there's some money. There's money available.
Well, they can't get to the money if it's
I know,
frozen in the
I
middle of
know,
the
I
water.
know.
Talk
So
about,
it's all good. So, okay, so then you get pre-approved, and then
you can start looking at houses.
And then get with your real estate professional. This is where you guys come in and you shop till you drop, okay? You know, some people find houses right away, and some keep looking for a long time, so it can take a while. So don't think...
Can I interject here real quick too?
Well,
Like
you're
I-
gonna anyway. Like I'm gonna stop
Like I
you.
have to ask, right? It's real important to get with a real estate professional. A lot of buyers think that, well, I'm just going to find it on my own because a realtor is going to bug me, or they're going to, like, you know,
Yes.
whatever. They've got their nose to the grind out there. They are working very, very hard. They know they can pull up in a second. You see a house on Realtor.com, or you're on a million websites.
Don't
Trulia,
pick on
Realtor,
anybody.
whatever it is, the website that you're on at 10 o'clock at night, and you see this great house, or even at 10 o'clock on a Saturday morning, you see this great house.
By the way,
It's gone.
It's
in
not
most
available.
cases, it's gone. Your realtor will be able to tell you that in a second, instead of you wasting your time and getting your hopes up and everything
they
else.
have
Work
access to the MLS,
Right.
and that's your gold right
Right,
there.
so they'll know.
And the buyer,
and
can
you
I-
don't pay for
excuse
them.
me, this is my show too.
I know. I get on a roll.
She gets excited. You know, and the biggest myth to buyers, believe it or not, that we've seen, and they call you all the time, they think that they're going to pay a commission to the realtor for helping them.
No.
You know what? You're in the real estate community, let them know, hey, the seller pays for it. So, ooh, I just saw a bee fly by. Did you guys see that? That was pretty funny. So, Anyway, I guess they want us to go to
gotta be
break
bye-bye.
again. I don't know. But when we get back this time, we're going to talk about things going on in
Things
the,
going on in the community. There is so much out there, and if you are a realtor watching the show, or even if you're a business owner, there is a lot going on in the community, and we're going to update you on all that stuff that you can be a part of if you'd like to participate.
So we'll be right back.
This is one bee that loves going to the dentist because it's made for you and me.
My name is Dr. Becerra from New Tampa Pediatric Dental, providing a comfortable atmosphere in early dental care. Gives kids a great start for healthy teeth and gums for life.
When I go to Dr. B, they don't do anything to hurt you. I used to be afraid, but I'm not now. I'm not afraid of the dentist anymore. I love to see Dr. B. Call New Tampa Pediatric Dental today.
Revolutionary in his field, Dr. Bonatti created, perfected, and patented the Bonatti spine procedures. Using his genius, Bonatti invented precise tools necessary to minimize surgery, scarring, anesthesia, and recovery. So successful are the Bonatti spine procedures, they consistently reflect over 94% patient satisfaction. 45,000 successful procedures have been performed exclusively at our location. Nearly half our patients suffer from failed back and neck surgeries at other facilities. Bonatti succeeds where others fail.
This is one bee that loves going to the dentist because it's made for you and me.
The environment here is really kid-friendly, family-friendly. The parents are welcome to watch.
It's definitely been a different atmosphere since Dr. Becerra has come on. It's very inviting and welcoming. The children just enjoy coming here all around.
My middle son did not like to come to the dentist, but now he loves to come to the Beehive.
You don't have to be afraid to go to the dentist. Call New Tampa Pediatric Dental today.
Mortgages don't need to be complicated. At Norcom, we're here to guide you through the process. By following our tried and true path to success, we make homes happen. To get started, give us a call or apply online. A trusted mortgage consultant will reach out to you to find out what your goals are. Whether you're in the market to purchase a new home or refinance your current home, we are dedicated to helping you achieve your goals. At Norcom, we'll provide a best-in-class customer experience. Once a plan is established, your mortgage consultant will analyze your income, assets, and credit profile in order to customize a plan for you. If you're planning on moving in the next few years, we might suggest an adjustable rate mortgage to be the best option for you. If you're a veteran, we'll get you started on a VA loan with 0% down. And if you're thinking long-term, a 30-year fixed loan might be your best fit. Our professionals are up to date on market trends and will help you make the best decision in choosing your rate. After we've found the program that's best for you, we'll then need to collect some information, including pay stubs, bank statements, and tax forms. Our underwriting team steers a loan through the approval process to verify that all the information you've provided is correct. As the underwriting process is taking place, an appraisal is ordered to determine the value of your home. A professional, local appraiser specializing in your area will determine the home's value. The last leg of this journey is closing your loan. While taking care of any last-minute details, our closing team will work on scheduling your closing date and location. It's that simple. Thank you for taking some time to walk through the mortgage path with us. Remember, we're always here to answer any questions you may have. It may seem intimidating, but here at Norcom Mortgage, we make homes happen.
This is one bee that loves going to the dentist because it's made for you and me.
Providing a comfortable atmosphere in early dental care. Gives kids a great start for healthy teeth and gums for life.
Coming here, you're not just like an ordinary patient. You're actually like treated like a family member, and like you're treated like he actually gets to know you and makes you smile.
Welcome to New Tampa Pediatric Dental, and we are the Bees!
Call New Tampa Pediatric Dental today.
Hi, I'm Derek Brooks, former linebacker for the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. During my NFL career, I realized the importance of giving back and started my foundation, Derek Brooks Charities. We help Tampa Bay youth prepare for a successful life through our college prep and mentoring programs. Our goal is to see youth excel academically and develop strong characters and be better citizens for tomorrow. To further our mission, we've teamed up with Fun Night, a company that gives members access to thousands of nationwide discounts on products and services they buy every day. These include entertainment, retail purchases, dining, and travel. Best of all, 33% of every membership fee goes to the charity of your choice. We love being able to save our supporters money while giving them a unique opportunity to support our charitable work in the community. I invite you to consider using Fun Night to save money and give back to your favorite cause. Visit www.funnight.us to sign up now and get a free 30-day trial. Save money, help others with Fun Night, and support Derek Brooks Charities.
Well, I guess we're back. Oh my gosh.
We're back.
Yeah.
So guess what? We found the ice bucket. Everyone has been hearing a lot if you're
The
on
ALS
TV,
challenge?
the news.
Oh,
yes,
no.
the
Who's
ALS
that guy?
challenge. Look at this. So
Look at
here's
that guy.
Barry.
So yeah, I'm calling people out right now.
So he got caught yesterday and had to do the ice bucket
I
challenge.
was actually at a chamber event, and they just like, I'm there in my work clothes. Look, see, Lynn, you're right in the middle of me. You know what? And they're getting me back. So we had to call some people out on this. So you guys see those buckets? Look at those big, giant 5-gallon Lowe's buckets. Yeah, there's one over there too. That's Dan. He's from the chamber.
Have you
He's the
seen some
director.
people though? They've been having like ice coolers.
Yeah, well,
I mean
whatever.
coolers,
They're all-
and other people are doing like a bowl.
Yeah, I've seen that. Yeah, you and
I'm
your
doing
red Solo
red
cup.
Solo cup.
So yeah, I know some of these guys there. I'm calling a lot of people out. People from work, so it's a fun thing.
Yeah, I
It's
know.
a great
He calls
awareness
me
thing.
out.
That's really what it's about. Is
But maybe
the
this
awareness.
means I can take today off.
Really?
Okay, I can't
Yeah,
work.
So you're gonna call some people out? Oh, you see how full that bucket is? I can't believe he's showing this. How did you find that video, John?
So here's
anyway.
Barry getting dumped.
Oh look, and he's doing it really slow, and it's full of ice.
Yeah, Dan. That's
yeah,
Dan
there goes my
from the
glasses
Trinity Odessa
down.
Chamber. Good one, Dan.
Oh
Good
yeah.
job.
Oh, that's a great look on my face too. Gotta love it.
So yes, I will be doing that this afternoon. Should I call out my people?
Yeah,
To give
go
them
for it.
To give them a heads
Give him
up.
a heads up. Get a little warning.
Okay.
What if they're
I
not
am-
watching the show? Oh,
I
they'll have to
know.
watch
Well,
it.
they're going to find out. I am doing my two Kristen friends.
Look, here's
I
my
am
look.
doing Kristen Leonard from Dynamic Title. Be prepared. Kristen Marlowe from Norcom Mortgage. She is a processor. She is getting called out. And then also Tom Pellicone, who is a vice president of the corporate headquarters of Norcom Mortgage up in Connecticut. Tom, if you haven't heard about this yet, guess what? You're up, bud.
You better do it because
Love you lots.
we want to see the big buckets and at least 2. If you don't get 10
So
gallons
let's
or more,
explain
it's
real
not
quick what the ALS
Sure.
is. Lou Gehrig's disease, everyone knows in case you don't. You have to write a check for $10 and give it to
Actually,
them and do the ice.
You can do it online on
okay.
als.org. So
And if you refuse the challenge, you're
$100
coming up with $100.
Yep. So it's a great community thing. So let's talk about
And it's
some.
raised great.
Oh yeah,
funds so
I mean
far.
it's gone viral. It's
I know.
crazy.
It's
If you haven't seen
unbelievable.
it,
My
you've
son
been
was
living
telling me
on
something like over $15 million right so
That's
far.
awesome
I
to
know.
see
Is that incredible?
So let's talk about some
Other
other community events.
fundraisers and community events
Yeah,
we have
we've
coming
got
up.
Fiesta Friday going on over at Norcom Mortgage in Trinity. Just come at 4:30. It's September 5th. Just come. It's a little happy hour and
Something we're going to be
some-
doing the
some
first
snacks.
Friday of every month.
Absolutely, come meet up with us. And then
It's our own
September
first
9th,
Friday.
September 19th, excuse me. It's
September
a Friday.
19th.
One of
Again,
my
local people.
My very, 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 very favorite things to do, because we don't talk about sports much anymore, because football season's just getting started. That's our
Yeah,
Rays bus trip.
Oh, joy.
That's a
know.
wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Did I say it was wonderful
Yes.
trip? Yeah, there's
That's a fun
adult-
time. They
Yeah,
rent
we-
a bus and like a ton of people pile on.
Yeah,
and
and there's a bathroom on the bus, so
Which
you don't
you
need
need.
to worry. You're going to need it. So it's a great event too, and it's a lot of fun. So, and then we've got coming up. I know this is a great
what else do we have
give back
coming
to
up?
the community. We're doing it with the American Cancer Society. It is Bowling for Boobs.
Bowling for
West
Boobs.
Pasco Business Association is behind this. The chamber's behind this one. Basically, you get a team of bowlers, and we're going to raise money for breast cancer.
And the bowling tournament, we have teams. You can put up teams right now. Go to www.wpba.biz
Yep.
to register your team. It's only $100 for a team or $25 for an individual bowler. We'll put you on a team if you don't already have one.
Or $10 to come eat and watch everybody
And
else.
it includes
people.
food. It includes
Yes.
food, your lane, and your bowling shoes and stuff, and that's going to be a lot of fun. And that's September 30th. So mark your calendars, and like I said, go to wpba.biz.
And then this one makes me nervous.
get more info.
Because this one really.
And then the next one, this is another good one that's coming up. You've
I
heard
gotta
of
go.
Dancing with the Stars.
Show's over, right?
Guess who has been called to Dancing with the Stars, Dancing with the Local Stars up in Pasco County.
October
and it is
22nd.
October 22nd.
That'll be at Spartan Manor. It benefits the Junior Service League. I need your help, folks, because
He needs votes.
I
He
need
needs votes.
So
it's like what, $1 a vote
it's
or
$1
something like
vote,
that.
or come to the event, or get tickets for me because I get a vote from that. You can watch me with my 2 left feet. I'm actually going to dance lessons for the next 6 weeks at Arthur Murray Dance Studios here locally. So we'll see what happens.
This should be fun. And then
for you.
This is going to be a lot of fun.
And
then
you guys.
The last thing that we have coming, well, I don't know, there's probably more, but
There's
the other one that I wanted
of
to
course,
mention.
Put on your calendar, December 12th.
December 12th. This is our biggest fundraiser of the year that we do
The
through
Grinch.
WPBA, our networking group. It's called The Grinch. How the Grinch Stole My House is kind of how it started a few years back. We pick a local family who is in need at Christmas time, and we raise funds. We do silent auctions. We have a big dinner at Seven Springs Country Club, and it's already booked for December 12th. It's a Friday night.
Yep.
We're looking for donations. We're looking for people. The tickets are very inexpensive for the dinner, and it's a lot of fun. Dancing. We have a DJ. We have a live band. He's in the band. We have a photo booth usually, so it's a lot of fun. It's a lot of great stuff. So mark your calendars for that too. Boy, we have a lot going on,
Yeah,
don't
no
we?
kidding. Look, there's the WPBA website. Gotta
There
love
it
it. So
is.
thanks to Larry Fleisch for doing that and manning that. So he does a great job.
Yes, he does.
And thanks Tampa Bay Multimedia for all your marketing and producing. What a phenomenal job you guys
And they're behind
do.
us on all of this stuff too.
Yes, they
we have a
are.
lot going on. How do we fit work into our busy days?
We don't
I
work.
don't know.
We don't work. In
All
fact,
right,
we
I'm
gotta
really,
go.
I know we got to go
We
right
gotta
now,
go.
and I'm like really hesitant about this because this means it's ice challenge time.
So get Delyn. If you don't have Delyn on your Facebook, you need to add her quickly because today
Did I
is
say
her
thanks,
ice
Jen DeVita, by the
challenge.
way?
Yeah. So
From Future Home Realty.
Yeah, I got
Thanks,
called out.
Jen. Love
I got
you
called
bunches.
out like 4 times by different people in a day, so I had no choice. So that's a great cause. So have fun with it. So
Anyway, get this show out. This is, and again, this goes on our archive, so you can get it out at any time. This is a great show if you have home buyers that are looking to buy kind of on the fence. Get them off the fence. Let them know that it's way cheaper to own than it is to buy.
yes, and let us, get with
Share.
share it, get it out there.
Facebook.
Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, LinkedIn, easymortgageanswers.com.
We are today and every day.
Moving forward.
We will see everybody next week. Bye-bye.
And I hope you get wet from the bucket challenge.